Imagine you're standing in front of a mirror, not just looking at your reflection, but beyond it. You're peering into a world where your identity is both a personal journey and a social construct. This journey of self-exploration in the realm of social psychology offers us a unique lens to view ourselves. Philosophically, the self has always been a subject of profound intrigue. As the French philosopher René Descartes famously said, "Cogito ergo sum," I think, therefore I am. This statement underscores the idea that self-awareness is at the core of our existence. But delve a little deeper, and you'll find that the self is not just a solitary entity, it's deeply embedded in the social fabric. The ancient Greek aphorism, "Know thyself," suggests a long-standing fascination with self-discovery. This journey isn't just about introspection, but also understanding how we fit into the broader social world. It's about seeing ourselves through the eyes of others and being shaped by our interactions and experiences. In the scientific realm, social psychologists view the self as a multifaceted construct. William James, a pioneer in psychology, distinguished between the I, the self as knower, and the me, the self as known. This distinction highlights the dynamic nature of the self, part of it being the subject, the experiencer, and part of it being the object, and the part of our identity that is seen and evaluated by others. The self-concept is central in social psychology. It's our internal answer to the question, who am I? This concept is not static. It's a dynamic tapestry woven from our personal experiences, social interactions, and cultural contexts. Our self-concept includes our assessment of our abilities and traits, our beliefs and values, and how we think others see us. Consider Charles Horton Cooley's notion of the looking-glass self. He proposed that our self-concept is like a reflection, shaped by how we perceive others' reactions to us. We imagine how we appear to others, interpret their reactions, and develop a self-concept based on these perceptions. Social comparison theory, introduced by Leon Festinger, further illuminates our understanding of the self. We constantly evaluate ourselves in relation to others, engaging in either upward or downward social comparisons, which can significantly impact our self-esteem and self-perception. In the realm of self-esteem, psychologists like Nathaniel Branden emphasize its importance, stating, "The most important relationship we will ever have is the one with ourselves." Self-esteem is our evaluative component of the self-concept, influenced by social experiences and comparisons. It plays a pivotal role in our psychological well-being. Social identity theory, developed by Henry Tajfel and John Turner, offers another angle. It suggests that our self-concept is tied to our membership in social groups. This theory posits that part of our self-concept comes from our group affiliations, whether based on nationality, religion, gender, or other social categories. Furthermore, the self is also a story we tell ourselves and others. Narrative psychology suggests that we construct our identity through the stories we weave about our lives. These narratives are influenced by our social and cultural contexts, and in turn, influence how we see ourselves and interact with the world. In conclusion, the self in a social context is a rich tapestry, a blend of our internal perceptions, social interactions, and the stories we tell. As the British novelist E.M. Forster aptly put it, "I have to see myself as others see me, but the others have to be seen through the lens of my emotion, and that lens is inevitably distorted." Our understanding of the self is both a philosophical journey and a scientific endeavor, deeply intertwined with the social world in which we live.
If you're finding this lesson valuable, you can take your expertise to the next level. Join over 27,000 students at the Institute of Professional Psychology and earn your professional certification in this field. Scan the QR code on your screen or click the link in the description to access the full curriculum, workbooks, and your accredited credential. Let's get back to the lesson.